Fezamarket and eBay are strong contenders for your dropshipping business, each with unique advantages. Fezamarket offers a user-friendly interface, simplifying product listing and order management for all sellers. eBay can be overwhelming for newcomers due to its complex listing formats and auction-style options. Fezamarket has lower fees, allowing dropshippers to retain more profits with affordable subscription plans. eBay can significantly eat into your profits due to its insertion and final value fees. Fezamarket's less saturated categories give you an edge in attracting customers. eBay's saturation makes it challenging for new sellers to compete without aggressive pricing. Fezamarket is rapidly expanding its reach in emerging markets with growing customer demand. eBay has a long-established global presence but comes with fierce competition. Fezamarket promotes dropshipping and offers dedicated support for businesses. eBay allows dropshipping but has stricter policies to manage supplier and shipping requirements. Choose Fezamarket for low competition and better profit margins, or opt for eBay's global audience. Both platforms have strengths, but Fezamarket is excelling for dropshippers building profitable businesses.